Nestled amidst tranquility, this north-facing plot presented a unique challenge. Our clients, a well-traveled couple with a deep appreciation for nature, desired a home that reflected their simple yet sophisticated taste. But Vaastu principles dictated the living area be placed in the northeast, potentially compromising privacy. To address this, we devised a captivating solution, a central courtyard. This ingenious element not only separates the entrance from the living area, but also ushers in an abundance of natural light, fostering a connection with the outdoors. Adhering to Vaastu principles, the living area rests comfortably in the northeast, ensuring peace and prosperity. The strategically placed courtyard safeguards privacy, while maintaining an easy flow into the heart of the home. The landscaping echoes the surrounding natural beauty. A majestic old tree, a cherished landmark, stands tall at the entrance, whispering tales of time. Nature's grace extends further, with elements seamlessly borrowed from the neighboring compound, creating a harmonious blend. Stepping inside, we are greeted by a breathtaking double-height living area. Bathed in natural light from the north, this expansive space embodies a sense of grandeur while remaining inviting. The courtyard's flooring is a captivating masterpiece, a symphony of textures. Pristine white marble tiles blend seamlessly with the warmth of wood-finished tiles. Natural stones from Pondicherry add a touch of earthy elegance, and pebbles complete the picture, creating a connection to the natural world. A bespoke brass door, a work of art in itself, ushers you from the tranquility of the courtyard into the heart of the home. The thoughtfully designed layout effortlessly connects the drawing room to the family lounge, fostering a sense of togetherness. This haven, a testament to the perfect blend of elegance, functionality, and nature's embrace, awaits its remarkable residents. Here, amidst the whispers of the trees and the warmth of the sun, they can find solace, celebrate life, and create memories that will forever be cherished.